Hey, my friend, come closer for a moment. I want to ask you something honest, something most people avoid asking themselves. Why do some people completely transform their lives, while others stay stuck in the exact same place for years? Is it luck? Is it talent? Is it intelligence? No. The real answer is much simpler and far more powerful. But before I reveal it, let's slow down and breathe together for a second. Inhale and exhale. Good. Because what I'm about to tell you may feel small at first, but it has the power to change your entire life, including the way you learn English, the way you build habits, and the way you see yourself. I'm Emily, and today you and I are going to explore something deeper than vocabulary or grammar. We're going to talk about transformation, real transformation, the kind that lasts, the kind you feel in your bones. All right, let's begin. Yesterday evening, I was sitting alone with a cup of tea, and suddenly a thought hit me very strongly. Why do some people rise, grow, evolve, while others never move forward? I remembered times in my own life when everything felt heavy. You try something new, you make mistakes, you feel embarrassed, and before you know it, you stop. And then I remembered the moments when everything changed for me, not because of luck, not because of money, not because someone helped me, but because of something I did quietly, daily, consistently. A small shift, a tiny change, one simple decision repeated again and again and again. That's when I realized the truth. Big transformations don't come from big actions. They come from small habits, tiny shifts, little choices, repeated daily. You don't need a huge plan. You don't need confidence at the beginning. You don't need motivation. You need consistency. And you need something even deeper. There's a word from an amazing book, Grit, by Angela Duckworth. And this one word explains why some people succeed while others give up. Grit equals passion plus perseverance. Passion means you care deeply. Perseverance means you keep going even when it's boring, painful, or difficult. Put them together and you get the strongest force in human growth. Here's the surprising part. The people who become successful are rarely the fastest learners. They are simply the ones who refuse to stop. Let that sink in. Think about learning English. Some people learn quickly, but they quit after the first challenge. Others learn slowly, but they practice every day, even 5 minutes. Guess who wins? Not the fast one, not the talented one, the one who continues. That's grit. And if you're here listening to this, you already have it inside you. We're just going to train it. Let's be honest for a moment. If you ever felt stuck, lazy, unmotivated, or distracted, it's not because you're weak. It's because of four invisible walls. One, fear of failure. Two, lack of direction. Three, negative self-talk. And four, waiting for motivation. Let's break these down. One, fear of failure. You ask yourself, what if I try and fail? But the real question is, what if you try and succeed? Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Two, lack of direction. Most people don't need more motivation. They need clarity, a simple starting point, one small step. Three, negative self-talk. This is the most dangerous one. I'm not good enough. My English is terrible. I can't improve. That voice destroys your progress before you even begin. 4. Waiting for motivation. People say, I'll start when I feel ready. But here's the truth. You won't feel ready. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. If you wait to feel ready, you'll wait forever. So today, right here, right now, we break these walls. Here's the magic formula. Improve by 1% every day. Just 1%. Not perfect, not huge, not difficult. A little improvement. If you grow 1% every day, in 1 year, you become 37 times better. Why? Because small efforts compound, like interest on money. Your English improves slowly, then suddenly. Your mindset improves slowly, then suddenly. Your life transforms slowly, then suddenly. So here's your challenge from me. Do something small today, something tiny, something easy, but do it. That is where transformation begins. There are two mindsets in life. Fixed mindset, I'm just not good at this. I'll never improve. I'm not a language person. And growth mindset, I can learn. I can improve. I can keep going. One mindset closes your life. The other opens it. And there's a part of your brain called the RAS, reticular activating system. It acts like a filter. Whatever you repeat in your mind, RAS tries to prove it true. So if you say, I'm bad at English, your brain will search for proof. If you say, I'm improving, your brain will search for that proof. Your brain becomes your partner, not your enemy. And once that happens, everything changes. People say, I'll start when I have time. I'll start when I'm ready. I'll start when I feel confident. Let me be brutally honest with love. You will never feel fully ready. Confidence comes after you start, not before. You don't need a perfect beginning. You need a small beginning. Start messy. Start imperfect. Start afraid. But start. Even one sentence spoken today moves you forward more than a perfect plan tomorrow. Here's a truth most people never hear. You have more control over your life than you think, more power than you believe, more potential than you can imagine. But nothing changes until you do. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when you feel ready. Today, right now, you start walking toward the future you want. Not with a sprint, not with a jump, but with one small step, then another, then another, and suddenly your whole life looks different. My friend, you're not stuck because you're weak. You're stuck because you're waiting. Waiting for confidence. Waiting for the right time. Waiting for motivation. Stop waiting. Start doing. One small step every day. That is grit. That is growth. That is transformation. And it all begins with you. Breathe, stand tall, and whisper this quietly. I have grit. Because you do. And now it's time to use it. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm proud of you already. See you in the next session. And until then, keep growing, keep believing, and keep becoming the person you know you can be.